We know precision, aesthetics, and efficiency are non-negotiable in your lab. That's why we're proud to introduce the next evolution in digital dentistry, Zirlux 3D Print Resins. Zirlux 3D Print Resins are engineered for exceptional accuracy, lifelike aesthetics, and seamless integration into your existing workflow.
There's two colors that the Zirlux resins model material come in, and I find them to both be incredibly smooth, very aesthetic, and very practical.
Whether you're printing models, surgical guides, night guards, or gingival masks, Zirlux delivers the performance you can trust.
This is a new brand. They have a night guard resin that I've been using. I like this resin a lot. It seems to print really well and print really clean. It works on my Shining 3D printer. I'm sure it works on other printers like a Sega.
Start printing more complex applications in-house with same-day production and reduce your outsourcing cost, material waste, and failed prints. Accelerate turnaround times and reduce remakes. Enhance case acceptance with lifelike aesthetics. Minimize chair time and surgical errors, and deliver durable appliances with fewer adjustments.
So I really like this resin, for study models and just regular models for crown and bridge work, implant models that come out really accurate. And the Zirlux flexible resin, the difference here is it has a little flex to it. It's softer, but still maintains good rigidity. I definitely think it can suffice for more of a soft night guard, which is something that's been more difficult to print. This does have a softer feel to it. I think it's easier on the dentition for the patients. And so far, we've gotten great feedback from our doctors on both of these products.
Zirlux 3D Print Resins are more than materials. They're your lab's competitive edge.